The LC-dolida Sleep Mask with Bluetooth headphones is a unique 3-in-1 product that combines a sleep mask, Bluetooth headphones, and eye mask into one ergonomic design. It is designed to provide a comfortable and immersive audio experience while blocking out light, making it ideal for naps, insomnia relief, air travel, meditation, yoga, and general sleep improvement. This product stands out in the market for its soft headband design that integrates wireless sleep headphones, allowing users to enjoy hands-free music without worrying about messy hair or sweat. The mask is especially well suited for side sleepers thanks to its 3D contour design that prevents any pressure on the eyes, allowing natural eye movement and long-lasting comfort. The fabric used in the LC-dolida Sleep Mask is super breathable with air holes made from soft memory foam that is lightweight, skin-friendly, and stretchable. The mask is washable after removing the control pod, which adds to its convenience and hygiene. The Bluetooth technology is upgraded to version 5.2, which ensures fast pairing, stable connection, and high-quality audio with less power consumption. Users can expect clear, lossless sound that creates an immersive environment perfect for sleep or relaxation. The battery life is impressive, providing 10 to 13 hours of continuous playtime after just 1 to 2 hours of charging. One of the key features of this sleep mask is its near-total light-blocking capability. Its unique design fits snugly around the nose to create a completely dark environment, even in bright settings. This makes it highly effective for use at home, in hotels, or on planes. The mask also eliminates the need for separate headphones, combining both functions into one comfortable accessory. Users have praised the LC-dolida Sleep Mask for its excellent sound quality and comfort. Many who previously struggled with earbuds or headband-style headphones have found this mask to be superior in cushioning and fit. The deep eye pockets prevent pressure on the eyes, and the adjustable Velcro strap allows for a customized fit. However, some users have noted minor issues such as the Velcro catching hair and the band around the ears causing slight soreness due to its trim. Another common observation is that the mask may be too large for people with smaller heads, sometimes covering the forehead and nose uncomfortably, though this can be mitigated by repositioning the mask. The audio leakage is minimal but present, so users sharing a bed may want to keep the volume moderate to avoid disturbing their partner. Some users have also reported an annoying voice prompt when the device powers off, which cannot be disabled and may wake light sleepers. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall quality of the mask and its performance have earned it high praise and a strong recommendation from many customers. The LC-dolida Sleep Mask has a robust build quality, and the materials feel premium and durable. The Bluetooth controls are easy to use, though the control board can shift slightly during use and may require occasional adjustment. Battery life is a standout feature, with many users going a week or more between charges depending on nightly usage. The mask's ability to block out light completely combined with high-quality audio makes it a game changer for those who need a dark, quiet environment to fall asleep or meditate. In summary, the LC-dolida Sleep Mask with Bluetooth headphones is a thoughtfully designed product that addresses common issues faced by people who use headphones to aid sleep. It offers a comfortable fit with no eye pressure, excellent sound quality, long battery life, and effective light blocking. While it may be large for some users and has minor issues like Velcro hair catching and audio leakage, these are outweighed by its benefits. This sleep mask is highly recommended for anyone looking to improve their sleep quality, especially side sleepers, travelers, and those who suffer from noise disturbances at night. The seller's responsive customer service and the product's competitive price point add further value. If you own this product, sharing your experience in the comments can help others make an informed decision. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel.